Welcome back to Spy Garage.
For individuals who want the utmost in mobile life, the 2026 Brabus Mega RV is more than just a motorhome. It's a massive statement of elegance, performance, and custom engineering. This car is a living example of Brabus's philosophy, which is to take already excellent automotive design and push it to new heights. With a focus on providing unmatched comfort for numerous passengers, the idea of 6 beds and a big shower suggests a degree of roominess and convenience that equals a luxury hotel suite, all in a car that also possesses Brabus's recognizable performance DNA. Foundation and exterior, Brabus's typical aggression. Without a doubt, the 2026 Brabus Mega RV's exterior would radiate the brand's signature aggressive yet elegant style. Built around a heavy-duty, multi-axle chassis, perhaps taken from a premium commercial truck platform, it would possess an imposing presence. By adding characteristic Brabus monoblock wheels, larger wheel arches to fit huge, performance-oriented tires, and specially developed carbon fiber body parts, Brabus would put its aerodynamic and styling expertise to use. The recognizable Brabus B insignia, which represent the vehicle's heritage, would be positioned thoughtfully. With contrasting black or carbon fiber details, the paint finish would be perfect, possibly a rich, metallic shade or the distinctive Brabus matte. Its futuristic appearance and usefulness would be improved by integrated lighting, such as strong LED arrays. This Mega RV's ability to accommodate 6 people in luxury, each with a separate sleeping area and a remarkably spacious bathing area, is its defining characteristic. This calls for a significantly larger interior footprint, which is probably accomplished by incorporating several large slide-out portions. Sleeping area. Each of the 6 bedrooms would be outfitted as a separate suite, complete with plenty of space, a cozy bed, personal storage, and possibly a half bath or direct access to a larger bathroom. With individual climate control and soundproofing between rooms, the design would put comfort and privacy first. The big shower is a statement rather than just a shower. Like a personal spa, Brabus would probably create a full-width, multi-jet shower experience. Imagine plenty of headroom, high-end fixtures, benches, and an advanced drainage system, all completed with opulent, hygienic materials like premium composites or specially etched glass. Common spaces. The Mega RV would have large common spaces in addition to the individual suites. Standard amenities would include a gourmet kitchen with top-notch appliances, a dedicated dining room, a spacious, opulent lounge with seating for several guests, and a top-notch entertainment system. The integration of technology would be seamless, with smart house controls regulating lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. This enormous structure would be supported by a strong, custom powertrain designed by Brabus to manage the enormous weight and deliver unexpectedly agile performance. It would probably be a powerful hybrid system or a greatly upgraded V8 or V12 engine. Brabus's distinctive tuning would extend to the suspension, brakes, and motor, ensuring a driving experience that defies the RV size. Anticipate cutting-edge driver assistance technologies and an intricate navigation system that takes the car's proportions into consideration. With 6 separate bedroom areas and an absolutely enormous shower, the 2026 Brabus Mega RV is the pinnacle of mobile luxury for big families or parties, offering the utmost in performance, comfort, and spaciousness, along with the distinctive Brabus touch of extreme automotive refinement. It makes a bold and uncompromising statement.